In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide members in a WhatsApp group. If you manage a group and want to protect participants' privacy, the simplest approach is to move that group into a WhatsApp community. Communities are designed so that only admins can see the full list of participants, which helps keep members' names and phone numbers private from regular group participants. First, open WhatsApp and go straight to the group that you manage. You will need to be an admin of this group to proceed. If you are not sure, look for the admin badge next to your name in the participant list. It also helps to make sure your app is updated so the options you need are available. Once you are in the group chat, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This opens the group info page, which is where all the key settings live. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Add Group to Community. Tap that. If you don't immediately see it, scroll a bit further or return to update the app. The option is built into recent versions of WhatsApp. Next, tap Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new community. Choose something clear and recognizable, since members will see this name. Keep it neutral and relevant to the purpose of your group. You may also see prompts to add a description or an icon. These are helpful for clarity, but you can edit them later if you prefer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. After entering the community name, tap Next. Review the summary and then tap OK to confirm. WhatsApp will handle the rest. It links your existing group to the new community structure and may also create an announcements space managed by admins. Once the community is active, your group members are effectively moved under it and their personal details become private to regular participants. That means names and phone numbers are hidden from everyone except admins. Members will still be able to read and send messages in the group just like before, but they won't be able to browse a full participant list the way they could in a standard group. As an admin, you retain visibility and control, including the ability to moderate members and manage settings. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.